Okay, this street right here goes all the way down towards the Portuguese embassy, and it starts out down here by the Portuguese bookstore, and then behind us a little ways is this kind of pedestrian street that goes São Square, San Malo, São Paulo ruins, stuff like that. So what we're going to be doing is going down this way. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So we got our settings on for the night one, so we'll see how that goes. I think what I'm going to do first is try to get across the street a little bit by just running across here. And we're going to start out with the Portuguese bookstore. This is actually closed, but it's called Livraria Portuguesa Galeria de Arte. Arch. Oh, there's a... The beard's looking good. Looks good. That guy's a really cool guy. He's a Portuguese guy. He does a lot of art in the city. Really cool guy. I haven't seen him in a while. I haven't seen that his beard is that long these days as well. So that's actually a little pedestrian street down that way, and we're going to be walking down this way. I haven't seen him in a while. That's cool. So they got all these bookstores as well in Portuguese, but there's also English ones and Chinese ones too. So there's everything. Hello. So. Oh, I was also going to capture some of the architecture on the other side here, which is right there. That architecture is beautiful. Yeah, if you know that guy that I just guy working in the bookstore, just say hello. Tell him that you saw him on the YouTube channel. I think you'll like that. He's really quite artistic, quite interesting. So I always like it when I see him. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down our street here. So we're basically going from the Portuguese bookstore to the Portuguese embassy or consulate at nighttime. So we got this little thing right here. We got an alley all the way in like that. I think it's kind of a dead-end alley, but there's a little bit of artistic work. So we got this one. Let's just kind of go in real briefly. And we got some other artwork in here as well. So this is some more artwork there and down, and that's actually ends down that way. Maybe we'll walk down a little bit further. Oh, it's under construction. That makes me even more curious if it's under construction to see why. Okay. Interesting. Okay. So that's under construction. We'll see how this works at nighttime. Usually I don't film at night because the quality of the filming is not very good. And I think those alleys will be like really pixelated and not so good and kind of shaky. So my apologies in advance if that's actually true. And now we're kind of just behind a bunch of people's heads. So just gonna highlight those real quick. You watch this guy go by. Then we're gonna come over here where there's fewer people. And I also want to film that one because that's Travessa dos Anjos. That street is Street of the Angels. And it's a nice street to walk down. But since we already said we're gonna go down to the Portuguese consulate and embassy, we're gonna do that. That was kind of a cool shot. There's lots of times I see stuff and I don't want to move the camera too quickly. But I thought it was kind of cool because they got like a shoe shop in there. So they're trying on shoes. And it's kind of cool. But this will give me a moment to kind of capture the scene of this street as well. That one right there is Teatro, that one right there is a cinema house. This one has Daiso, has a bunch of like little shops that used to have stuff centered around a cinema. Oh, sorry, that's a shopping mall complex. Next to it had the cinema that had a bunch of, like if you go there, there'll see like some tarot reading stuff, some like kind of games and like animation, like kind of stuff where, like novelty stuff, I guess is what you call it. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down here. And down to the, that's kind of cool. It's like kind of Times Square like building with the images here. So this is the name of our street. Go to Pedro, Nolasco de Silva. I would love to go down this street. There's actually a shortcut, but it's better to go down in the daytime. There's also a nice restaurant here called Bistro de Indochina. This one's closing. So we are going to, we're going to go down there where the embassy is pretty close by. I just want to check something out real quick. There's actually all these other little alleys, so this sign looks kind of new to me. So that is little patio. There's tons of these little patios everywhere. That right there is also where incinerator is for trash and garbage, stuff like that. So we're going to continue down. And we're almost at the consulate. Portuguese Embassy Consulate, so that's where we're going to end our video. We're going to go on this side so we're not behind people. It's not really that interesting to film when there's people's heads, so this side of the street is better. Huh. There's a brown building right here. It says Show You Tea, and it says since 1904. It says NBC. There's a church right there, so that's kind of interesting too. I kind of want to go to the other side. So there's, yeah, Show You Tea. These are kind of like church stuff. So there's a thing that says NBC with a cross on it that I never really noticed. But I want to be on this side because that building to the right is beautiful. And they just restored it again with a new paint job. Yeah, that one is such a beautiful building. And over here is the Portuguese consulate. So we're just going to stick the camera in there at nighttime and see what it looks like. There's the consulate. You can see the Portuguese flag at the top. And we're just going to walk down briefly. So that was our focus street all the way down. Very, very cool. And we're gonna go down this way. I hate to explain it. I am a person who has to watch an autistic kid the majority of the time when I'm not at work. Not the majority of the time, but he is my obligation. So you'll hear somebody a lot of times in my films that are always like saying this way or making a lot of vocal noises. He's autistic, so he's with me. So you probably see him in other videos, but sometimes people wonder why there's like these noises, like what those noises are. And his language ability is pretty low, so it's usually like this way, this way. So you hear that a lot, this way. He's always telling me like this way. So, okay, anyways. We're gonna come out to the end of the street and I'm gonna turn the camera around, but I don't wanna move it yet because I wanna, if I move around too much, it doesn't look that good. So we're going to come out to the end. I'm just going to show you what this street is, and then we're going to turn the camera around and show you what we just came down. That's our target street right there. So let me just kind of see. And this comes out this way. Oh, we got something going on there. I think it's connected to Chinese New Year. Oh, that's the street that we just did. That one. So we are going to end it there, so hope you like that one. And let me know how the quality is at nighttime. Usually I don't film at night, but I think I changed the settings around and maybe it's better. Maybe not. Let me know. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Toma cuidado la posibilidad.